Hello, I'm Gavin Sykes from STBbrackets, and today we're looking at the 360-degree turning stand for CX panels from LG, but also for Samsung and Sony TVs. The bottom of the screen is always 500mm from the floor, and that leaves the perfect space to mount the BeoSound Stage soundbar from Bang & Olufsen, but optionally you can remove the soundbar if you don't want the BeoSound Stage. We have rotation, but we can also bring the screen forwards. And when we bring the screen forwards, we can have more rotation of the screen before the TV hits the wall. And some people always have the TV in the front position, and others prefer to mount the TV at the rear. Using the STB Mounting System, you can optionally mount a decoder, an adapter or a games console onto the rear of the stand. In fact, you can mount up to 4 devices. So there you have the turning stand from STBbrackets for Sony, Samsung, LG TVs with BeoSound Stage from Bang & Olufsen.